am Sanan Jain. Welcome to Radio Bharti. Let's begin with the top news updates of the day. The headlines: PM Modi to visit Dera Sachakand Balan on Guru Ravidas Jayanti. Historic Medram Samakala Saralama Jatra begins with arrival of goddess Saralama. Center constitutes a high-level committee to strengthen farmer-producer organization in Tamil Nadu. Syria's interim president holds talks with Russian president in Moscow. Panama Forum sees Latin American call for regional solidarity. India, EU reaffirm strategic cooperation in next-gen digital technologies including 6G. RBI signs MOU with ESMA to enable recognition of central contraparties. Yuki Bhambre and Andre Gosevan advanced to pre-quarterfinals of men's doubles event and Australian Open 2026. Now news in brief. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will visit Dera Sachakand Balan in Jalandhar on 1st February on the occasion of Guru Ravidas Jayanti. Union Minister Ravi Singh Bittu said that Modi will reach the Dera in the afternoon after attending the budget session in the parliament in the morning. The Prime Minister's visit will coincide with the Guru Ravidas Jayanti. In recent years, Modi has been travelling to Sri Gurdhavan, the birthplace of Guru Ravidas in Varanasi, which falls within the institution. Dera Sachakand Balan in Jalandhar is considered one of the most revered cities for the Ravidasi community in Punjab. The historic Medram Samakama Saralakama Mahajatra, often hailed as the Kumbh Mela of Telangana, reached its first major milestone yesterday evening as the goddess Saralama arrived at the sacred platforms. Amidst waves of spiritual fervor and traditional rituals, the goddess was brought from Kanapli to Medram, marking the official commencement of the tribal festival's core events. The Union Minister of Agriculture and Farmers' Welfare has constituted a high-level committee to strengthen farmer-producer organizations in Tamil Nadu. The decision follows the recent visit of Union Agriculture Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan to Erode, during which operational, technical and market-related challenges faced by FPOs in the state and recommended corrective measures. Syria's interim president Ahmed al-Sharra visited Moscow yesterday, where he met Russian President Vladimir Putin at the Kremlin. The talks between the two leaders included the sensitive issue of Russia's future military presence in Syria. Russian president emphasized its readiness to help the country rebuild its war-battered economy and stated that Russia has supported Syria's government in its effort to restore control over its entire territory, including areas controlled by the Kurds. Latin American leaders who gathered for a development forum in Panama City yesterday called for regional unity in the face of increasing political polarization and the recent US intervention in Venezuela. India and the European Union have reaffirmed their commitment to deepening strategic cooperation in next generation digital technologies, including 6G telecommunication, with a focus on security, trust, resilient global supply chain. The Ministry of Communications stated that this commitment was respected in the leader statement issued during the visit of European Commission President Ursula von der Leyen and the UE College of Commissioners to India. The Reserve Bank of India has signed a memorandum of understanding with the European Securities and Market Authority during the recent visit of the President of the European Council and the President of European Commission to India. In tennis, India's Yuki Bhambre and his Swadeshi partner Andre Gorsan advanced to the round of 16 of the men's doubles event at the Australian Open 2026. The 10-seeded into Swedish pair registered a hard-fought 4-6, 7-6, 6-3 victory over Mexican Santiago Gonzalez and the Netherlands' David Pale to seal their place in the last 16. Earlier, the duo had entered the second round for defeating local wildcards James Duckworth and Cruz Hewitt in the straight sets 6-3 and 6-4. That's all for the day. For more such updates, stay tuned to Radio Bharti. Please like, share and subscribe the channel.